Students, now we are going to see the worksheet number 11. The lesson name is resource. First, choose the correct answer. First question, Hulakali constructed a house. House is a dash resource. B option, man-made. Second question, to conserve a resource, we should follow the following ways. They are D. All the above. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Next, fill in the blanks. First question, the sunlight is a natural resource. Photovoltaic cells are used to produce solar energy. Petrol is extracted from crude oil or under earth crust. Dash are called the world's largest pharmacy. Tropical rainforest. True or false? Education, health, knowledge and skill have made human beings valuable resource. True. Collection of resources directly from nature is called secondary activities. False. Coal at Neyveli is the example for actual resources. True. Next question, match the following. The first picture is about primary activity and second picture is territory activities and third one is natural resource and fourth one is international resource and fifth one is non-renewable resource. Read the following resources and write it in the appropriate column. இங்கே சில ரிசோர்ஸஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதை ரெனியூவபிளாக நான் ரெனியூவபிளாக நம்ம வந்து டிக் போடணும். சன்லைட் ரெனியூவபிள் ரிசோர்ஸஸ், கோல் நான் ரெனியூவபிள் ரிசோர்ஸஸ், நேச்சுரல் கேஸ் நான் ரெனியூவபிள் ரிசோர்ஸஸ், வாட்டர் ரெனியூவபிள் ரிசோர்ஸஸ், air renewable resources, petroleum non-renewable resources. Next topic, public parks is an example for the community owned resource. Second one, natural resources are modified or processed by technology into man-made resources. Write in detail. என்ன வளம் இல்லை இந்த திருநாட்டில், என் கையை ஏந்தும் வேண்டும் பிற நாட்டில். Have you heard these words? We have resources in our country even though import resources from other countries. Find the reason. Because it is important for a country economy. It is helpful for a country to get non-existent and scarce resources from other countries. With the help of atlas, in an outline map of India, mark the states which produce name of the states which is famous for its natural resources. For example, Jammu and Kashmir apple. ஸோ இதை மாதிரி எந்தெந்த ஸ்டேட் எது எதுக்கு ஃபேமஸ் அப்படின்னு எழுதணும். பஞ்சாப் வீட், அஸ்ஸாம் டீ, வெஸ்ட் பெங்கால் ஜூட், கர்நாடகா காஃபி, மகாராஷ்டிரா cotton and also Gujarat is cotton and spices is Kerala. Thank you children. For more videos subscribe our channel.